Having completed the test settings by defining the study objective and selected suitable business questions, we now progress to the second step of the four-step process in the project setup. In this phase, we'll create a shop for our simulation, where participants will purchase our test products or a competitor product. Let's commence by adding products to the shop. We have 4 options for product creation. These include adding products via an Amazon search, Amazon ASIN, a Google search, or creating a product manually. Let's opt to add competitor products via the Amazon search by typing in the Amazon keyword, selecting the target market, and clicking search. From these results, we can select the competitor products, but also our own product for testing. To mark a product as your own for testing, simply select them here, and the product will be added to the scenario as your test product. However, in this case, these are competitors, so we keep it unselected. We're now adding the products to the shop. Here, we also have the opportunity to select a product as our own for testing, if this applies. If our product isn't listed on Amazon or Google, we can create it manually by clicking on Add Product Manually. Here, we can enter all specifications to create the product. We'll start by inputting the main picture, setting the product name, selecting the price, rating, and a description. We highly recommend to also include secondary pictures and optional A+ content. Now that we've set up the first scenario, we are going to add a second scenario for our test by clicking on the plus. We can modify the attributes for the Scenario B test product. In this test case, the product concept validation, we have another concept, so we'll change the primary image, product title, and the description. In the preview, we can see the product detail page in action, just as a survey participant would see it. We've now created a test with 2 scenarios, one for the Aybee Clean Your Hair product concept, and another for the Aybee Nourish Your Hair product concept. All competitor products are unchanged across the different scenarios. Before we proceed, we should check the comparability and competitiveness of the products. For instance, all these competitor products have secondary pictures, so it would be highly recommended to add secondary images to our test products as well. We can use the Preview Shop feature to view the entire shop as a participant would see it, a great way to validate the shop setup. Here, we can add additional settings, such as hiding the ratings or the brands, if they're not relevant for our test. Once everything is set, we'll click Next to proceed with the next step.